everyone, Peppermint here. So my channel is not necessarily a financial type of channel, but I did want to share with you some of the things that I do to help save money on food. Food in particular is what this video is about, and I hope you can benefit from this video. Number one, shop the sales and pick up extra when they're on sale. That way you're always paying the sale price. And most of the time, these items that I buy are on the very first page of the flyer, of the sales paper. If steaks are on sale, I buy them. If hamburgers on sale, I buy them. And I try to buy enough so that I don't have to buy any more or not as much in between the times that they're on sale. And these sales, they happen during holidays and holidays, mostly holidays. There'll be certain things that will go on sale. Summertime holidays like Mother's Day, Father's Day, Labor Day, anytime there's going to be a picnic, you can expect certain picnic type foods to be on sale. And that is when I try to grab up some ground beef. I try to get the 80% and I buy enough that it will last me until the next time it goes on sale. So here we are, we've hit Labor Day, and I'm not sure that ground beef's going to be going on sale for a while, but coming up soon it'll be things like sweet potatoes and turkey and things like that, especially after Thanksgiving. Turkey will go on sale. Pretty cheap. 2, buy your canning lids from Dollar Tree. I figured it out. Now there's only 10 in a pack instead of 12, but at $1.25 you would have to reuse your other canning lids about 4 or 5 times before you would be getting them at the same price as using the Dollar Tree lids one time. Now I know the quality is not as good, but if you're eating up your stock whenever you're canning and you're eating it, then it's not going to go bad. Just buy the Dollar Tree canning lids. Unless you are going to be holding on to your canning goods for a real long time, like 5, 6, 7, 8 years. I don't want to hold on to mine that long, and so I really don't mind using the Dollar Tree. Number 3, don't go shopping when you're hungry, okay? Don't shop when you're hungry. You're just going to fill your cart up with snacks and things like that that are not nutritious, and you're going to buy more because you're hungry. Everything looks so good in the grocery store, and so it's just not a good idea to go to the grocery store when you're hungry. Eat out less and cook at home more. That is going to save you a lot of money. When my husband and I go out to eat, it's at least $45, sometimes $50, especially after you leave a tip. And that is just too much for one meal. And so I've been trying to cook at home a whole lot more, and my health has shown up in my blood work to be much better when I have control over what I'm eating. Number 5, buy generic or store brands. They are cheaper, and sometimes they actually come from the very same factories that the name brands come from. They have been made just to specifically put the store name on their brand, and I've had a whole lot of good luck with that. We have this motto, we try it once, and if we like it, we continue to buy it. If we don't, then that'll be the last time we use it. And that has worked out really well for us. Number 6. There's only 2 people in my household that I have to cook for. And what I do is I have learned how to cook for 2 people. Cook for 2 people without having a lot of leftover. And if there are any leftovers, I try to use them within the next couple days. If they're not used up within the next couple days, they get thrown out on Sundays. But it's learn how to cook for 2 people if there's only 2 people in your household. If there's only 4 people in your household, then that's not quite as bad. But when you have 2 people, there's always leftovers. When you open up a jar, when you open up a can, there's always going to be a little bit left over. Number 7. If you do eat out, then take home doggy bags or the boxes, the leftover boxes. That will save you a lot of money on eating out if you do eat out. Sometimes they bring you a big old plate full of something and you can't eat all of that. You could actually have 2 meals off of that plate. Well, if they're giving you that much food, then take it home and make another meal out of it. And that will also save you a lot of money when you're eating out. Number 8, use small appliances to help you cook instead of your traditional stove oven. These smaller appliances like the crock pot, air fryer, etc. will save you money on energy in the long run. And if you continue to use them, then that will really add up and your savings will show up on your energy bill. Number 9, shop at Aldi's or stores like Aldi's. If there's an Amish store near you and you can save money by buying in bulk, do that. Can it up, freeze it, whatever you have to do to get the lower price, as long as you will eat it. Keep an eye out on the prices that you're paying and compare them to the regular grocery store that you normally go to. Number 10, eat canned goods in the best by date order. The most recent, as in whichever one's going to go out of date first, eat that. Now I said out of date, but what I meant was out of the best by date. The best by date is when it's going to be its freshest. After the best by date, the food is still good on most items. However, after the best by date, the taste seems to be not as good and the nutrition value seems to be losing nutrition value the longer time goes by. So eat your canned goods in the date order. So there's my 10 tips. So I hope that they're going to help you out in your journey of this hyperinflation that's going on. They will definitely help you out if you try them as they have me and my family. So if you enjoyed this video, or if you received any benefit from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I sure could use your support, and I would love to have you as part of my channel. So y'all have a good day, and thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.